Welcome, my viewers, to yet another Kikuyu lesson in Let Learn Kikuyu. Today, you are with me, Wanchiko Wamaitha. In this particular lesson, we are going to look at simple phrases that are commonly used in Kikuyu. Simple phrases commonly used in Kikuyu. When we talk of the simple phrases, or when we call them simple phrases, these are just phrases that are very simple to understand and to get, and they are very much common. They are very common in the Kikuyu language. So let's continue. So the first phrase that is very simple is where we have a double A sound. The A, that is the E, with a different cover on top, that is A. If somebody say A, it's a double sound. It's you prolong it when you are pronouncing it, or when you are saying it. That means yes. For example, you may ask somebody a question and they respond with A. That means yes. For example, in a sentence, Niogodhie shukuru. Niogodhie shukuru. Will you go to school? If the person will go to school, they will say yes. In Kikuyu, they will say A. Niogodhie shukuru. A. That means they have agreed to go to school. So the way you pronounce this A is like the way you pronounce the letter A in the word any. Then we have a second phrase, which is asa, which means no. If you ask somebody a question and they tell you asa, that means they have not agreed. So they are meaning no. This here is like the in the word about. Then we have the sa here. It's like the she in the word shame. Sound sh in the word shame. Then we have another one, rehe, which means bring, rehe, to mean bring. Then we have another word, which is ke. That's just a syllable, which means take. Somebody is giving you something, they'll tell you ke, meaning take. Then we have another one, which is oka, to means come. This O here is like the O in the word all. So oka, come, come. Then somebody can ask you a question and ask you wadhieko, meaning where are you going? Wadhieko. Then another phrase that is very simple and commonly used in Kikuyu is umaku. Where have you come from? Or where are you coming from? For example, maybe you went somewhere, somebody was waiting for you, people couldn't see you, and then when you come back, you will be asked, where have you come from? Umaku. Then we have another phrase, which is kwanyuneko. So if it's a general question, or as a general question, that means where is your home? And then if this person is if it's a personal question, somebody will ask you wakuneko, or where is your home? That is personal. Where is your home? If somebody wants to know specific about you as a person, they'll ask you wakuneko. So if in this first question here, wakuneko, where you say that is, where is your home? If you want to respond to that, you'll say gwitũ nĩ Murang'a. Gwitũ nĩ Murang'a, meaning our homeland is Murang'a. Our homeland is Murang'a, or like it's like saying I come from Murang'a. Then gwaku nĩ kũ? It's like somebody is asking, okay, you come from Murang'a, yes, but yourself, where do you live? Then you'll say gwakwa nĩ Thika. Gwakwa nĩ Thika, meaning my home is Thika, or my home is in Thika, meaning though you have come from Murang'a, you live in Thika. Gwakwa nĩ Thika. Then we have this other word here, which is Mosie. 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 Mosie, to mean home. It can also mean a village. It can also mean where once lived. For example, Ndathiĩ mũciĩ. Ndathiĩ mũciĩ, meaning I am going home. Then we have another word, just like we have said there. Another phrase is ndĩrathiĩ mũciĩ. Ndĩrathiĩ mũciĩ, meaning I am going home. Going home. Ndĩrathiĩ mũciĩ. Ndĩrathiĩ mũciĩ. Then we have another word, which is nyonia. Nyonia, which means show me. Sometimes we tend to believe, well, we tend not to believe before we see. So you tell someone to show you so that you can believe. Yes, nyonia. Nyonia. Then we have another word, which is dwara. Dwara, to mean take me. Take me. Then we have another word, which is jera. Jera, meaning tell me. Tell me. If you want someone to tell you something, you'll tell them in Kikuyu, jera. Then maybe here somebody, previously we have learned the word nyonia, and we said it is show me. Somebody, if someone wants you to show them something, they will tell you nyonia. And if you are willing to show them, you will tell them okaguonie. Okaguonie, meaning come I show you. Nyonia, show me. And then the person, if they are willing to show you, they'll tell you okaguonie, meaning come I show you. Then here we had the word dwara, which meant take me. This word here, which meant take me. If the person you told to take you are willing to take you, they will tell you oka gotware. Oka gotware, meaning come I take you. Dwara, take me. And then the person, if they are willing to do it, they will tell you oka gotware. Come I take you. Come I take you. Then we have okagwire. Okagwire. Okagwire, to mean come I tell you. Come I tell you. Okagwire. I remember when we were small, somebody will call you and tell you okagwire kaudu. Okagwire kaudu, meaning come I tell you something. Okagwire. Then if you wrong someone, you'll tell them sorry. Sorry. So in Kikuyu we say sorry, 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 meaning I am sorry. Sorry, I am sorry. Then nedahera. You can also say nedahera, meaning you are apologizing. You are apologizing and you are sorry, meaning I am sorry. Nedahera. 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 Then if you want to ask for permission, for forgiveness from someone after you have wronged them, you will tell them, first of all you'll say nedahera johera. Nedahera, that is I'm sorry, please forgive me. Then you'll say, for you to ask them for that forgiveness, you will say johera. Johera. So this one and this one, they can be used together. You can say nedahera johera. I'm sorry, forgive me. Nedahera johera. So the word johera, johera, johera means forgive me. So those are some of the And I say some because there are so many phrases that are commonly used in Kikuyu, and they are easy to master, and they are used in almost every day of life in the Kikuyu community. I'm happy that you followed me. I'm happy that you have been with me um, throughout the lesson, and I'm glad you are learning and you are enriching your vocabulary in Kikuyu, and you're expanding your knowledge. Thank you. I want to wish you well till we meet again in our next lesson. Remember to subscribe in our YouTube channel, Priscilla Wamaida, so that we can continue expanding our knowledge in Kikuyu. For now, it's a bye bye.